Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to talk about a green smoothie that we like to make. Lots of greens.
Yeah, Kathy makes a smoothie that's amazing. I just started having it with her, and my green smoothie is a little bit different, but I have to say I really like hers because there's a lot of superfoods in there that are critical for proper body function. So I'm really excited that she's going to share this.
So we'll show you what we're going to do. So first of all, just grab your blender. I take water. I have a water kefir. Now this water kefir is
that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
So water kefir, I've actually added a little bit of limeade powder to this water kefir. And so I'm just going to pour that in. Water kefir has all the good bacteria. It's just like your milk kefir, only I like to do it with water. And it does have a little bit of sugar in there as well. Annie's just going to do an avocado because we like to put an avocado in this. It makes it really creamy and it's so good for you.
And it's really good oils that are in avocado, and so we encourage people to eat that. That's a fruit, by the way.
It is because it has a seed or a nut inside. Sea salt. I always add a little bit of sea salt just because it's so good for you. We've done a video on the sea salt before. This is a combination of cinnamon, turmeric. I have quite a cayenne pepper. All of these are good anti-inflammatory herbs or things that just get your, we'll do both.
We'll do both.
Yeah. And then this is bee pollen. I like putting 1 teaspoon of bee pollen a day. It gives you all the vitamins and minerals that are like so good for you. It has every bee vitamin in it.
So they say that that bee pollen is a natural multivitamin. And so it's kind of neat because you can just take that and enjoy it.
And I'll just show you this. This is a container of all my greens. I've got asparagus, broccoli, celery. I've got, I think, 6 or 8 different. And what it is Thrive vegetables that I've blended into a powder, and then you just get the powder. So in one of these scoops, you're getting like 6 servings of vegetables in just a scoopful. So I like to add enough because we're going to be having a smoothie for the 2 of us. And
so there's actually, you said there's about 9. So we have carrots, asparagus, spinach, kale, beans, zucchini. What else is in there?
There is
every green food. Well, and carrots that's in there. So it's awesome.
Cauliflower. Yeah, there's
broccoli.
A lot. So I'll throw in a good scoop of coconut oil. You just take the coconut oil that you like. It's, again, getting those good fats. And I find that, I like to make sure I get my coconut oil each day.
So it's actually a really good energy coconut. And so you can have it in the oil format, but it's also very, very good for your skin. So that's why we put it in there.
And then ice. Now, you'll notice that I didn't add any fruit in here. You can if you like to add fruit. I just know that I really need my greens, and so I've done this with all greens. So I'll just quickly blend this up. Hopefully it won't be too
Yep, you can see that. Okay. So you can see this amazing green smoothie that is just loaded with vegetables. So you're going to get all that you need.
And it's slopped.
Yeah. So there we go. So Kathy's going to try that.
Okay.
She already knows what it tastes like, and it's absolutely delicious, but so good for you.
It is so good. I'm getting a green mustache. It's awesome. So pick having the greens that we need. I think a lot of us are lacking in the amounts of greens that we really need in the day. Yeah. So this is a good way to do it. Hopefully you give it a try and like it.
So remember,
or not like it, I guess. Remember that you can do this too.